There's only 6 months left in the year. That's 180 days, 180 chances to change your life. And if you're honest with yourself, you've already wasted too much time. This is not for everyone. This is not for people who are fine being average. This is not for people who keep saying I'll start next week and never do. This is for the ones who are tired of looking in the mirror and seeing potential go to waste. This is for the ones who are sick of falling short. This is for the ones who want to lock in for real. So if that's you, keep watching. Because what you do in the next 6 months can set the tone for the rest of your life. Let's get into it. Time is not waiting. Look, life doesn't pause because you're tired. It doesn't slow down just because you're unsure. The year is moving, whether you are or not. And I don't care how motivational your January was. If you're still not showing up in June, none of that talk matters. Stop thinking you have more time. You don't. Your future self is already watching. And the question is simple. Will they thank you for how you spent these next 6 months? Or will they have to recover from it? That version of you that's confident, that's disciplined, that's locked in, they're waiting on you. And the longer you wait to become them, the further away they get. The problem isn't lack of goals, it's lack of follow-through. Everybody talks about goals. They write them on whiteboards. They post them on Instagram. But posting a goal isn't the same as grinding for it. You don't get results because you want it. You get results because you work for it. Over and over, even when it's hard. The problem isn't that you don't know what to do. It's that you keep finding reasons not to do it. You know what you need to fix? You know what habits are holding you back. You know where the time is going. But knowing doesn't change your life. Doing does. So here's the challenge. Don't just plan the next 6 months. Execute them. Cut the distractions completely. You can't lock in and stay connected to everything that's been keeping you stuck. You say you want to focus, but your screen time is 6 hours a day. You say you want peace, but you keep texting people who bring chaos. You say you want growth, but you scroll for dopamine instead of discipline. Let me be blunt. You will not grow in the same environment that broke you. You've got to cut the noise, the toxic friendships, the mindless scrolling, the fake validation, the late nights that leave you drained the next day. It's time to protect your energy like your life depends on it. Because honestly, your future does. Get real about what you want. Stop saying you want it if you're not willing to suffer for it. Do you want to be in shape? Then your body is going to be sore. You'll be hungry. You'll be tempted, but that's part of it. Do you want financial freedom? Then you're going to have to cut spending, work extra, take risks, learn skills. It's not supposed to be easy. Do you want peace of mind? Then stop going back to what broke you just because it's familiar. The next 6 months have to be different. And different doesn't mean motivated, it means uncomfortable. It means choosing the hard thing over and over. That's how you change. Build a daily standard. Forget motivation. You need a standard. Motivation is a feeling, it comes and goes. A standard is a way of living, it doesn't move. Set a standard where you train daily, no matter what. You read something that sharpens your mind. You eat clean and fuel your body with intention. You do the things you promised yourself, even if nobody is watching. The goal is simple. Stack wins. Day by day, habit by habit, brick by brick. That's how you lock in. Eliminate Plan B thinking. You will never give your all to something if you're still keeping a way out. Burn the backup plan. Stop giving yourself soft landings. There is no Plan B when your future is on the line. There is no fallback when your potential is dying in front of you. This is your shot, right now, right here. The next 6 months will demand a stronger version of you. And that version doesn't need validation. It needs alignment. So choose your circle wisely. Surround yourself with people who push you, not pacify you. Number 1, win the morning, win the day. If you want to lock in, start with your mornings. Wake up early, no phone for the first hour. Train your body, feed your mind, set your intentions. You don't need a perfect routine, but you do need a purposeful one. Because how you start your day sets the tone for everything else. Stop waking up reactive. Wake up with direction. The version of you that changes your life, they don't hit snooze. Number 1, progress over perfection. Let me be real with you, you're gonna mess up. You'll miss a workout, you'll scroll too long one day, you'll eat junk, you'll feel lazy, you'll slip, it's okay. Locking in doesn't mean you never fall. It means you never stay down. Stop trying to be perfect, start being relentless. One bad day doesn't cancel your progress. One mistake doesn't erase the effort. Just don't make it a habit. Discipline isn't about never falling. It's about how fast you get back up. Number 1, track everything that matters. If you can't measure it, you can't manage it. You want to grow? Start tracking. Track your workouts. Track your meals. Discipline of screen time. Is it major your habits? Why? Because numbers don't lie. They don't care about your excuses. They tell the truth you need to face. And facing that truth is the first step to fixing it. So get a notebook, use an app, make a chart, whatever it takes to see where you really are. Because real accountability leads to real growth. Number 5, visualize where you want to be. Close your eyes right now. Picture yourself 6 months from now. Stronger, leaner, clearer, more disciplined. Earning more, sleeping better, surrounded by better people. Waking up proud of how you live. You can see it. That version of you is possible. But they won't show up unless you do. So when it's hard, visualize. When you feel like quitting, visualize. When nobody claps for you, visualize. Because once you can see it, you can build it. Number 5, make the decision. This is the part where most people nod and scroll away. Not you, not this time. This is the part where you draw the line, where you say, I've had enough of playing small. I'm done wasting time. I'm locking in. Right now, not tomorrow. 6 months. That's all I'm asking. 6 months of ruthless focus. 6 months of discipline. 6 months of doing the things most people are too soft to do. It won't be easy, but it will be worth it. And when December comes, you'll either be proud or regretful. This is where you make the decision to stop wasting time, to stop doubting yourself, to stop living on autopilot. 6 months of focus could change your whole life, but only if you go all in. No more waiting, no more starting over, no more maybe tomorrow. Decide, lock in, show up. Know in this market, if this hits you, do something with it. Don't just save it, don't just nod your head. Share it, live it, be about it. There's no more time to waste, it's time to lock in.